Hey guys, Rob with Next Gen Writer here. So good news, the weather is finally broken here in the Philippines. We've been hit with typhoons and tropical storms now for several weeks, and it's just been raining nonstop. But now we got sunshine and a window of opportunity with some good weather. Now this isn't generally writing season in the Philippines, or ideal writing season. I guess writing season's year round, but rain's pretty normal. So even on this trip, we'll expect some rain. Just we're hoping nothing severe, no tropical storms. So what we're going to do next week, we're going to ride out on a Tuesday. We're going to start here at my house in Salong. We're going to ride down to this area, and stay at an Airbnb at Bagaspas Beach. Then we'll get up Wednesday morning and we'll ride on down to the volcano. And then we'll come in here and we'll scout around. What we're going to do is we're going to rent ATVs. So we'll catch a hotel here, get up, what would that be, Thursday morning, rent ATVs, and we're going to ride around Mayon Volcano. And then we'll overnight again. And then the plan is just to ride back in one shot on Friday and get back home Friday evening. So that's the itinerary. I built it out here in TourStart. That went really well, and then I kind of did a sanity check here in my route app's route planner. It looks identical, so I have some confidence in this route. So let's go back to TourStart. And one of the things I like about TourStart is you can just identify places. So we'll jump over to places. And it's been having some trouble pulling places. Well, actually, I need to go to my places. That's why. But as you make changes, the updates are kind of slow. So I added the ATV rental place here. So we'll come in and it's shown on the map, and it picked that as a point of interest, no problem. So what I'm going to do now is we'll back out of here, and I'm going to create a place. And what I want to do now is grab my hotel. So it's called Maison de Gloria. I'm just going to grab the GPS coordinates. We'll come in and give it a name. Toggle this over to hotel. And then I'm going to paste the GPS coordinates. So the thing is you can't just put raw coordinates in there. It's going to try to resolve those to an address. So I'm going to pick the address that it's recommending, and then we'll zoom in, and it's not right. The hotel's kind of over here. It picked a place down here on the highway. You can see that here. So it's you come off this T and come around this curve, and the hotel should be right about there. So we'll try to adjust that, put it right about there, and it pops it over on the street to the nearest address. So I don't know, for better or worse, it is what it is. That's how it works. So now I'm going to do a save and view place, and now my place is there. So not super clean with as far as locations, but I should be able to navigate to the hotel with this. So now we'll back out, we'll go to my places. I got the ATV rental place here. This is going to be the hotel for a couple of nights. I'll add my Airbnb later when I get a location. So the thing is, right now I'm selecting my tours. It displays tours based on the start point, so it doesn't show it now. But if I zoom out, it starts over here, and then now I have my tour, and I can jump back and view my tour. So I'm in trial mode, or I'm not in trial mode actually. My trial has expired, and I have not bought a subscription yet because I'm still a little bit skeptical about TourStart. But I like it. I want to give it every chance to work. So I'm going to try it out on this trip. So far, everything still works with the exception of this transfer to GPS. So if I add this to download and I come over here, I wouldn't use transfer, but I might do a download. So we select download options and go to GPX route, and it kicks me over to the purchase page. I'm not ready to do that yet. It's quite reasonable at €27 per year, but I want to use it first. So we'll back up, and but everything else still works. The route is there in my account. It shows up on my mobile device, I believe. So here we are with the iPhone connected to the smart display using TourStart and CarPlay. And you can see here is my tour. And it asks me if I want to navigate to it. Loads up the tour.
108 kilometers, time is 7 hours 15 minutes, head east.
And there's navigation. So that's still all available even though my trial has expired. Really a lot of functionality with TourStart, even if you're not paid. To be honest, I'm surprised that they don't monetize the CarPlay connection and require you to purchase the subscription for that. So I don't know. Good on them. They're leaving a lot of capability out there with free subscription level. Anyway, that's the video. More to come on this. I'm just showing you the route planning portion, and I really want to give TourStart a fair shot. I like the app a lot. It has a couple of shortcomings, but they all do. Anyway, thanks for watching.